Okay, in the previous video we have discussed the different methods of finding out the measurement of effective or a pitch diameter. Out of 5 we have done in the previous video we have discussed all the 4 methods, that is 1 wire, 2 wire, 3 wire and the rack correction and the compression correction, and the last final one is what? Best wire size method. So in this method the wire diameter suitable for any particular screw thread should be such that the wire touches the thread on a straight portion only. Okay, in this method what is the condition is the wire touches the thread on a straight portion only. So here the effective diameter can be measured with wire having any diameter which makes the contact on the true flank of a thread, which make a contact of what? True flank of thread. Okay, in case of best wire size, the wire touching the flank of thread lies on the pitch line or the effective diameter line. So that is also one condition, pitch line or a effective diameter line. So for measuring effective diameter always best size wire should be used. So here now I will draw the best wire size. I will show the figure. Based on the figure we will derive the best wire diameter for best wire diameter in terms of pitch and thread angle. Now we will see the figure. Just I will show here. This is thread here. So this is the pitch line. So this is maximum wire size. This is the best wire size. This is the minimum wire size. This is just a representation how it will looks, the best wire size, maximum wire size and the minimum wire size. Now I will consider one thread. Just this is the pitch line. Pitch line. I will draw one thread here, center, distance of R, another to pass this one. Here I will draw another one, right angle triangle, that is angle. So distance between these two, that is pitch, that is P by 4, that is capital D. Just I will mention the dimension, and the angle is theta. Here this is theta by 2, this is capital A, this is what the effective diameter line. Effective diameter, this is pitch line, and this is again center one here. So from the center of this another line, the distance is what? P by 2. P by 2, P by 4, this is theta by 2 and this is radius R. From the center we will draw one line C, A, another one right angle triangle. One triangle we are going to consider here, O and G, O, G, D. Now we will derive the, now we will find out the best wire diameter in terms of pitch and the thread angle. Okay, in this figure we will see here, from the figure we will take it as a figure B and figure A. from the figure B, from figure B, triangle OGD, that is equal to what? Theta by 2. Here we have mentioned, that is theta by 2, and angle ODG, that is equal to what? 90 degree. This is the angle in the triangle. The angle of OGD is what? Theta by 2, and the angle ODG, the D is what? 90 degree. So therefore angle AOD, that is equal to angle GOD, that is equal to 90 minus theta by 2. So now consider triangle OAD sin 90 minus theta by 2, that is equal to opposite by adjacent. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta by 2, that is equal to AD divided by OD, or in terms of OD we have to write, means OD is equal to AD divided by cos theta by 2, that is equal to AD into secant theta by 2. We know that 1 by cos is equal to what? Secant theta by 2. Call this as equation number 1. But condition is what? OD is equal to what? Here OD in the figure, OD is equal to R. So OD is equal to OC is equal to small r, that is D diameter divided by 2. R is equal to D by 2. That is D with respect to this small b represent what? Best wire diameter. Therefore AD is equal to here distance A and D. In the figure A and D, the distance is what? P by 4. So AD is equal to what? P by 4, that is pitch. P represent a pitch of the thread divided by 4. So substituting these values in equation 1, the AD value and the OD. Substitute here AD and OD. With respect to AD represent P by 4 and OD is what? DB by 2. So DB by 2, substitute in equation number 1, this value AD and this one OD. So OD is what? DB by 2, that is equal to P by 4, that is AD into secant theta by 2. Call this as equation number 2. So equation number 2 represent here, this equation number 2 shows this is the DB. Another form here I will write it out here. DB is equal to what? 2. If you go here means 2 ones are 2 2s are, that is P by 2 secant theta by 2. This is the formula for what? Best wire diameter in terms of pitch and theta represent a thread angle. Now I will show in terms of metric thread and the whitework thread. So in terms of metric thread, where theta is equal to 60 degree, we know the DB formula. DB is equal to what? P by 2 secant theta by 2. Theta is equal to 60. If you substitute theta is equal to 60, you will get 0.5773 of P. This is in terms of metric head. So another one condition with respect to Whiteworth thread, theta is equal to 55 degree. Again substitute in the same formula, that is DB is equal to P by 2 secant theta by 2. Substitute theta is equal to 55 here and you will get 0.5636 P. This is the method of finding out the best wire diameter with respect to pitch and the thread angle theta. So DB is equal to P by 2 secant theta. This is a very important derivation for the examination. So this is also one of the best method of finding out the or measuring the effective diameter, that is best wire size. Okay, thank you.